Endless Map is an application that automatically maintains a single map of the files contained in all our drives, devices and clouds. The map is automatically updated periodically and every time a unit is connected or upon request. Here we see a very simple case in which the map covers 4 devices. In this case, 2 internal PC drives, a flash disk, and Google Drive. We can browse a drive and its folder, like this one, for instance, by name. We could say this. So we see a photo. We see the photo in detail. In this case, the current file is saved on a mounted disk. In case the file is not present in a current mounted disk, it is downloaded automatically, as we will see afterwards. We can search for files. For instance, we can input the search string res. Yes, and so we can look the files, the file name and the file thumbnails independently of the device where they are. Now, let's go to look how to refresh the cloud drive map portion. We click on the icon corresponding to the Google Drive portion. We change username because I want to reset my account. We receive the consent screen of authentication. I choose an account, my account, and press Advanced. Go to Endless Map. Okay, so I receive all the information I need to allow access to this application, to view photo, video, albums, to view Google Photo, allow, okay, the final grant window, allow, okay. And this map continues exploring the Google Drive. And this map goes on exploring Google Drive. The first time it's a complete exploration, but next time will be an exploration for getting only newer files. So, in the end, we have the possibility to browse Google Drive and to browse the computer section. That's the section where every computer from time to time was bound to Google Drive. The drive area, main area, and its folders, the share with me, and the photos. I can make a search, for instance, this one, and I can select a photo. You see, this photo is not saved on the current drive, but has been downloaded on demand at this time. You notice the little time gap. So, the subsequent photo, etc. So, to take this, we have the need to have a read access to Google Drive, Google Photo, share it with me, areas and their files. And the possibility to get their metadata. Now we see Endless Map mobile version. We see a real situation in which we have 36 drives that are smartphones, cloud, internal disk, removable disk, old PC, flash disk, DVD, etc., iPad, etc. Now we can look inside, for instance, Google Drive. We can say photos, browse the photos, and okay, we could go inside to view the details of a photo. You see, this photo is not stored on the smartphone, but it's stored only on Google Drive Photos area. But we can click on the top left download icon, and we receive the consent screen. We select the correct account. We give all the grant that is needed. So now we have received, maybe you can notice that now there is a second place where the file is stored, that is also in /download/copies inside the smartphone. Before it was stored only on Google Drive Photos area. So now we can look there, click Photos, and receive the photo. So we have received the photo on demand in this moment. We can go back, and so we can now look for maps, and so in this way we see all the photo, the pins that are connected to the photo we have on a Google Photo. We can Berlin, for instance. Okay, so now we can download. All right, and look, photos, of course, the same, but we also can say Spain, for instance. Spain. Okay, and now we can touch maybe here. And receive. Okay, if I click, for instance, on Madrid, okay, we have a photo that is we can download the photo. In this case, the photo is not on Google Photo, but is on a drive, and the file has been transmitted wireless to the smartphone from the PC. We can search by hashtag. For instance, we could say this and look all the photo in this way, but we can look for person, for instance this. Okay, all right. To do this, we have the need also by the mobile version to access with a read access to Google Photo, Google Drive, etc.